Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about another medium problem on Leetcode today, reorder list, Leetcode 143. This problem is part of Blind 75, a curated list of essential coding interview questions. You can find the full list linked in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Now to the problem. In this problem, we are given the head of a singly linked list and the list can be represented with nodes as L0, L1, L2 all the way up till Ln. And our task is to reorder the list to be on the following form such that we pick the first element, then we pick the last element and put it after first, then we take the second element and put it after the last, and later we pick the second last element, then we pick the third element, and then we pick the third last element, and so on till the whole list is reordered. In other words, we alternate the nodes in the list from the start and the end. Then in example 1, for the given list, we reorder the list such that we take the first node from the start, then we take the last node, next we take the second node which is node 2 and second last node which is node 3. And now since all nodes are processed, this process is complete and the reordered list has elements 1, 4, 2 and 3 which we can return as the answer. Now there are multiple ways to solve this problem and the simplest way is to add all the nodes in a linked list to an array or a list and then repeatedly pick the nodes from both ends of the array using two-pointer technique and place them alternatively in a new list and continue this process until the two pointers meet. So for example, here say the left pointer points to the first element 1 and the right pointer points to the last element 5. So we pick the node at left and append it to the new list and increment the left pointer, and similarly pick the node at right which is node 5 and append it to the list and decrement the right pointer. And now since left is still less than right, meaning left hasn't met or crossed right, we can continue further because there are still nodes remaining to be processed. So we pick the node at left which is node 2, append it to the list and increment the left pointer, and then we pick the node at right, append next to it and decrement the right pointer. Now both left and right pointers point to element 3. So we can pick the node and append it to the list and say move the left pointer forward. And now since left has surpassed right, we can stop the iteration and return this reordered list as the answer. Now even though this approach was simple, it is inefficient because even though the time complexity of this approach is O of n given we are using array, the space complexity will be O of n as well, as we need extra space to store the nodes. But how can we do it without extra space? Now we know that we have two parts of the list, the first half and the second half. From the first half, we can easily pick an element from the start and interleave it with the nodes from the end. For example, we can pick the first node and then select the last node and place it after first, and then we pick the second element and place the second last element after it. So placing the elements from the start is easy because we are going in the forward direction. However, the challenge is getting the elements from the end of the list, and that too in the backward direction. Because to do that, first we have to traverse the entire list and select the last node and put it after the first node, and then pick second last node and put it after the second element. But technically this is impossible for a singly linked list since the links only point forward. So one way can be that we again and again traverse to the list and reach the say last element, then the second last element and so on. But this is not very efficient. So how about we fix the direction of the links? That is, we reverse the direction of the nodes in the second half of the list. So then the idea is simple. First, we find the middle node of the list, split the list at that point and reverse the second half. So for example, here the middle node will be 3. So splitting here gives two lists with elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Next, we will reverse the second half of the list. This ensures nodes from the start of the first half and end of the second half are in the correct order for alternating during the merge. So reversing 4, 5 gives 5, 4. Finally, we merge the two halves alternately to construct the reordered list. So we start with the first node of the first half, which is 1, followed by the first node from the reverse half, which is 5, and continue with this process until all the nodes are intertwined. I have already covered the first two techniques, finding the middle using two-pointer method and reversing the list, again using two pointers in the previous videos. Please check out the I button and video description for detailed solutions. Here I'll quickly recap and reuse those solutions before diving into the final merging step. So first let's look at how to find the middle of the list. So for that we start with two pointers, slow and fast, both initially pointing to the head of the list, where slow pointer moves one step at a time and fast pointer moves two steps at a time. And we continue this process until fast pointer reaches the end of the list. So we move slow pointer one step forward and fast pointer two steps forward. And since the fast pointer hasn't reached the end of the list yet, we again move the slow pointer forward and fast pointer two steps forward. And now fast pointer is at the end of the list. So that means slow must be pointing to the middle node. So at this point, we can break the link. But before doing this, we should take the backup of this link. Otherwise, we will lose the access to the remaining half. So we use a pointer, say C, which starts at the node right after the middle. So now we have two lists and we reverse the second half. And again, to understand how to reverse a linked list, please check out the I button or video description for details. And now we have the list 1, 2, 3 and 5, 4, which we need to merge alternately. So we again start with two pointers, first and second, both pointing to the head of the respective list. Now to merge the list alternately, we start with first node of first half, which is node 1, followed by the first node of the reverse second half, which is node 5. And to do this, we need to first break the link of node 1 and then link it to node 5. However, if we do this directly, we will lose access to the rest of the nodes in the first half. Similarly, after linking 5 with node 1, we will have to repeat the same process where we unlink this node and link it with the second node in the first half. And again, if we do this directly, we will lose the access to the remaining nodes in the second half. So to prevent losing the access to the remaining nodes in either half while rearranging, we can use temporary pointers for both the lists. Let's call it T1 and T2. And now we can break the link at the first pointer and connect it to the node at the second pointer, which is node 5. And similarly, break the link at the second pointer and connect it to the earlier next link of the first pointer, which is stored in T1 pointer. So this completes the alternate merge for the first nodes. And now we can move the first and second pointers forward to the positions stored in temporary pointers T1 and T2 respectively. And we again repeat the same process where we first take the backup of the next nodes of the first and second pointers. Since the second list has no nodes remaining, the pointer T2 now points to null. Next, we break the link of the first pointer and connect it to the second pointer, which is node 4. And after that, we break the link of the second pointer and connect it to the T1 pointer. And finally, we move the first and second pointers forward to the position stored in T1 and T2. And now, second pointer becomes null, marking the end of the merge process as there are no more nodes left to be processed. And same will be the case whether number of nodes are odd like in this example or even. We can always halt based on the second pointer, as once all the nodes in the second half are interwoven with the first half, the whole merge process is completed. So here finally we return the answer as 15243. Now the time complexity of this approach is O of n and the space complexity will be O of 1 because this solution involves three main steps: finding the middle, reversing the second half, and merging the two halves alternately. All of these steps result in a total time complexity of O of n and space complexity of O of 1 because we are using few pointers here and there. Here is a quick code walkthrough of the algorithm we just talked about with Java code on left and Python on right. First, let's handle the edge case, which is if the list is empty or if it contains just a single node. In that case, there is no reordering required, so we simply return. Now, as a step 1, we will find the middle of the list. For that, we will initialize 2 pointers, slow and fast, both starting at the head. The slow pointer advances 1 step at a time, while the fast pointer advances 2 steps. Now, when the fast pointer reaches the end of the list, the slow pointer will be at the middle or the first of the 2 middle nodes for an even length list. At this point, we can split the list into 2 halves, where the first half starts at the head and ends at the middle node pointed by the slow pointer, and the second half starts immediately after the slow pointer. Now, as a step 2, we will reverse the second half, but we cannot break the list yet because if we do that, we will lose the access to the second half. So starting at the node after the middle, we use 2 pointers, previous and current, to reverse the linked list until we have reached the end of the list. So we initialize previous to null and current to the beginning of the second half, which is slow.next. Now we split the list into 2 halves by setting slow.next to null and iterate through the second half using the current pointer, where we will first take the backup of the next node in the temp variable, reverse the current node's pointer to the previous node, and move the previous to current and current to the temporary node. And after this loop, previous will be the new head of the reverse second half. And now we come to step 3, which is merging 2 halves alternately. And again we will use 2 pointers, first and second. First for the first half, pointing to the original head, and second for the reverse second half, pointing to the previous pointer. And now we will enter the while loop that continues as long as second pointer is not null. This ensures we merge until the reverse second half is exhausted. Now, first we take the backup of the first pointer and second pointer in temp1 and temp2 respectively, and link the next link of first pointer to second and that of second to temp1, and advance the pointers first and second to the position of temp1 and temp2. And once we are finished with this loop, the weaving process should be complete. And notice that we are not returning anything in this function. We are just updating the list in place without using any extra space. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Your support helps me create more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.